Welcome to the BalTec series of tutorials. In this tutorial we'll explain 3 different operating modes: the setup mode, the correction mode and the cycle mode. Enter the program clicking on the button on the left. Start by clicking on the S for stroke and select a riveting mode. Press the 2-hand controller to start the riveting cycle. The machine will rivet as long as the buttons are pressed. Release the buttons to stop the riveting cycle. The machine will then display the values obtained during the cycle. Correction mode. Switch to correction mode to view data and change parameters. Using the arrows to scroll up and down you can define the value you want to change. Then choose the button on the right to change the value of the corresponding parameter. Type in any dedicated value you would like to have in an automated program. Press the 2-hand controller to start another riveting cycle. The machine will continue until it reaches the entered value. Once all corrections are made, save the program and enter cycle mode by selecting the button with 2 arrows. Program 07 will now execute every cycle in cycle mode according to the settings. Start a new riveting cycle. The machine will rivet until it reaches the specified values, displaying the results and indicating if they are within tolerance. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.